So we're in a kind of a protected tide pool right now. The wind's not too bad. There's all these little, I think they're anemones. Kind of cool. I like this rock. Jimmy and Olive. Where are they? Yeah, that's them right there. It's windy out here today. Ocean Beach, and I just see this van, and it's got this quote from Chris McCandless that we just watched Into the Wild last night. I think that's so cool. There's a T.S. Eliot quote. You can pause this to read this if you need to, but check out this van. It is, I don't know what kind it is. And another quote. The joy of life comes from our encounters with new experiences, and hence there is no greater joy than to have an endlessly changing horizon, for each day to have a new and different sun. Very cool. And check out his stickers. Jimmy's got that one. Look at this hostel across the street. Big old peace sign on the top of it. So cool. This place is called Hoodads, and it's just covered in stickers, and on the inside, license plate. Little van. That's quite the sticker collection. Come in. Can you see it? I'll make it a little bigger. But they're kind of like, the wind's affecting them.
Rocking.
I don't know if they can see it rocking from my view, but it's windy. This bus, and it says Urban Leaf, and I'm going to have to look it up, but it kind of looks like a marijuana leaf on the side, and it says private coat on the front. I wonder if those are like marijuana tours. Cool, whimsical flowers, decorations. And then they have these scooters everywhere. Those are bike racks. And I and Olive are at La Jolla, and the pelicans are just over the side of this cliff. They're all over dotting it. Can you see them down there? Let me zoom. See them all over on the... There we go. And there's that cave there. That looks pretty cool. Guys should be happy this is not smell-o-vision. I can smell these birds. Flying out there. Let me zoom. Oh, apparently it's zoomed. Went down the stairs to the beach here at La Jolla, and I saw a sea lion, and we're going to be able to get a little closer to it. Not too close because they will bite and attack. But this is really cool here. And the birds, I guess, are cormorants and pelicans. But we saw one over here. There he is. Or is it a rock? No? That's a sea lion. Hi, baby. He's taking a rest. We'll leave him be. Look at all the birds. And Mr. Sea Lion. There's fish in this tidal pool. I don't know what kind. I spotted a wandering Jimmy. Oh, he saw it. There are the seals.
Let me take a picture of them. They look beautiful. Wait, I come back to
But all the noise is not the seals. It's all these children everywhere.
Mine's the same way. What the hell?
They're cute, not the children.
Yeah. They're all just kind of laying around.